Hi, this is Alexander, Minnesota chiropractor, Dr. David Butler. For well over 100 years now, chiropractic has been used for quick and effective relief for a variety of health conditions, like headaches, lower back pain, asthma, allergies, and anxiety. But most people don't know that the very first documented specific chiropractic adjustment was used to help restore a man's hearing. That was way back in 1895. But over the last several years, more and more studies are proving chiropractic's effectiveness and safety in improving our overall health. In fact, some of the recent studies have documented improvements in our immune function, heart rate, and even improvements in blood pressure. So, in today's blog, I'd like to talk about a 2011 study from Japan that is available through the PubMed Index. This study reveals that chiropractic has a much larger impact on the body than most people think. For example, stress is an incredibly important indicator of health. And if there's one thing that will kick your immune system into overdrive, it's chronic stress. And did you know that chronic stress, either emotional, physical, or chemical, has been linked to all chronic diseases? You name it. Heart disease, cancers, and even diabetes. Well, in this study, scientists in Japan sought to see whether chiropractic adjustments could alter stress levels in 12 men and women with neck pain. Now, if you wanted to understand how chiropractic impacts stress and anxious emotions, you could simply ask patients to report their changing moods before and after treatment. But the scientists in Japan wanted to get a more objective picture of how chiropractic adjustments impact the nervous system. So they used PET scans to monitor brain activity and saliva samples to track hormonal changes. You see, stress of any nature affects both your nervous system and your hormonal system immediately. So monitoring changes in these systems can tell you whether or not the body is adapting to stress. This study demonstrated that immediately after receiving a chiropractic neck adjustment, patients had altered brain activity in the parts of the brain responsible for pain and processing of stress reactions. They also had significantly reduced cortisol levels, indicating decreased stress levels. Cortisol is a hormone that can be measured in the saliva, so it's quite readily available. And during the study, the participants also reported lower pain scores and a better quality of life. These findings reveal that chiropractic adjustments affect and change in a positive way how our body interprets and copes with stress and pain, which in turn can enhance its response to disease and injury. As scientists learn more about the human body and the role of stress on the nervous system, it's clear that chiropractic can and will play a very powerful role in promoting true wellness, rather than just simply providing effective pain relief. The abstract of this study is available on the U.S. government site PubMed, and you can find this article by clicking on the link below. But if you'd like to learn more about helping you and your family regain and improve your health and wellness without the risks and side effects of drugs and surgeries, just contact Century Chiropractic at 320-762-0667. Well, thanks again for watching, and thanks again for all the positive comments and encouragement on these blogs. Until next time, this is Dr. David Butler wishing you good health.